here from CE Solutions. I'd like to guide you through the NREMT recertification program. Let's get started.
So this is our dashboard. Once you've subscribed to the NREMT program, you're able to access this material. You'll start here on the left side of the page where you'll see our main menu. On the main menu, you'll see the course categories. If we hover over course categories, we see that it opens up a submenu. In that submenu, we're looking for NREMT recertification. If we move and hover over it, it opens up an additional submenu. In that submenu, you'll find EMT recertification program and paramedic recertification program. Choose the program that is applicable to you and click. This brings up the landing page for our recertification programs. This will include all the material required for your recertification. You will see over to the left-hand side a status column. In that column, it'll show in progress or a date, or it'll be blank. If it's in progress, that means you've opened it up but have not completed the tasks. If you've completed it and passed the test, you will get a date of completion. Once you have a date of completion for all courses listed, you're ready for recertification. Let's take an in-depth look at the F3 courses. We'll click on one now. It'll immediately open up the article to where you can read the article. Once you've completely read the article, you can go up here to Start Exam and click on it. It'll open up the exam for that article. Let's go back to the landing page.
Now let's look at the F5 courses. Those are our instructor-led virtual classes. These courses are pre-scheduled and you want to log in 30 minutes prior to the actual start of the class time to alleviate any technical problems you may have before class gets started. Let's see.
In the landing page, you'll find the F5 material. When we click on an F5 EMT Medical Module 2, it takes us to a page for registration. We can register and unregister for our courses. You will see the dates and times of this course and when it is available, as well as who's the instructor. You'll see the title of the course, as well as a detailed look at what the course is actually about and what part of the National Registry requirements it satisfies. From this page, you'll also be able to join the live course. Let's do that now. When we click Join Live Course, Adobe Connect gives us the opportunity to choose an open our web browser or to open the application. If you don't currently have the application, you can download it from this page, right here in this area. If we open up the application, it opens a classroom. You'll be able to see in multiple pods in this area. You'll see that we have a PowerPoint as well as a way to track participants in the course. You'll see there's a chat pod where you can actively talk with the instructor or other students that are in the class. You'll also see that there are polls that are placed by the instructors throughout the class that you have to answer. These polls help to show our activity during the class. You'll also get to see the instructor in the video feed as they present the class to you. Once you've completed the class after 2 hours, you'll exit out and go back to your CE Solutions account. In the account, you'll go back to the registration page. At the registration page, you'll look in the top left corner where it says Live Course Attendance Required. We'll switch to Start Exam Now. You'll click on that, complete your exam, and receive your 2 hours of certification for those hours. Remember, you have to complete the exam with a passing grade of 70 or higher to get your credit.
Thank you for purchasing the NREMT recertification program. We here at CE Solutions hope to make your recertification as painless as possible. Enjoy your classes.